In this video, I'm going to show you and review some of the tips that will help you in your drawing. You're going to learn how to create an amazing pastel works like this, step by step, being pastel or acrylic on canvas or oil on tube. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are an experienced artist but you want to take your art to the next level, with these tips can help you improve on your drawing skills. Number one, we are going to talk about sketch. Sketch is one of the fundamental tools in drawing. Before you can make any artwork, you have to sketch. You have to sketch before making any starting the artwork, being a figure or object, or you have to sketch first. Growing up as an artist, I encountered some of these challenges that was so difficult for me to overcome them. But I keep on practicing every day and keep learning every day and being focused and consistent. I'm able to overcome this challenge. So I'm just here to review some of these secrets so that if you can watch this video to the end, you can learn and understand these tools, these difficult challenges as an upcoming artist or you're an experienced artist, but some of the things you might be able to learn here. So sketch is one of the fundamental arts. Before you start sketching, or you can't just be sketching, drawing like that. You need to have a reference of what you want to create or you want to draw. You understand? So it is the sketch that will determine how the drawing is going to look. Or it is a sketch that you have an idea of what you want to create. You understand? Secondly, proportion and balancing. Proportion and balancing is one of the most difficult part of it, because of, as an artist, giving you a space to draw, to make, having a space to make the artwork, being on paper or canvas or on the wall generally, but it's how you are going to make use of the space that we are referring here as proportion. How you balance the work in a given space. Growing up as an artist, I encountered some of these challenges, very difficult, because sometimes I start a drawing, before I'll draw it and the space will not be enough for me, and maybe I'll still have to raise it and start again. You understand? So I keep on practicing till I was able to overcome these challenges. Making a drawing and fitting it in a given space is one of the challenges too. So if you watch this video till now, subscribe, tell me what you think of it, help me share to some of your friends or anybody that's interested in learning art like this. Here, this is what we do. I basically teach how to improve on your drawing skills, stuff like that, being pastel, charcoal, and all of this. So hope you learned something today. See you in my next video.